Hi, I'm Sarah with Crafty Creatures, and today we'll be making the spiral flyer from your Keep 'em Busy box. For this craft, we will need a large paper plate and a short piece of string. And from home, let's find scissors, pencil and eraser, and some markers. Once we have all of our supplies, let's get started. First, draw a spiral from the middle of the plate out, and draw nice and light so that you can erase any mistakes if you make them. Using markers, pencil crayons, or really any sort of tool, color your spiral in with patterns and designs. Try to leave no white space if you can. The more color we have, the cooler these flyers are going to be when they spin. Some cool options are to make rainbow stripes, alternating blocks of colors, or even make color gradients. The choice is yours. Once you have finished coloring the plate, carefully cut along your original spiral line. Maybe with a grown-up's help, try to poke a hole in the top of the spiral where we started in the middle with a sharp pencil, a needle, or any pointy object. Or use a hole punch if you have one at home. Tie the string in a loop and put it on the hanger through that hole so that your spiral can spin around. Now let your spiral fly. Thanks for crafting with me today. I'll see you eager beavers next time for a new craft. Goodbye.